Alright, Ludicrous Gamers, it's Malefios with another math tutorial. Over the next couple videos, we're going to be doing series convergence, something they do in your Calc BC classes. So the first one we're going to do, this is the first test for convergence, is our nth term test. And this basically, you will be given a summation of some function here, an, and if you want to use the nth term, you're going to do the limit as n approaches infinity of an. And you have a couple different options here. If this equals 0, then the test fails. Test fails. You have to use another different test to find whether the series converges or diverges. If this equals something that isn't 0, so it does not equal 0, then the series diverges. Okay, so the nth term test can only be used for proving divergence. It cannot be used for proving convergence. So we're going to do an example here. So we're going to have the summation of x squared plus 3 over x. And of course this summation starts at 0, goes to infinity, and this is just a series. And we're going to see, using the nth term, see if it converges or diverges. Or in this case, with the nth term, diverges. So we're going to take this, which is our an, and we're going to do the limit from n going to infinity of this a sub n. And when you plug in an infinity here, you're going to have an infinity squared on the top and an infinity on the bottom. So basically, this is going to end up being infinity. So, since infinity obviously does not equal 0, we can say that this series diverges by the nth term test. So, pretty straightforward. This is the easiest of the tests. So we'll do one more example here. X starting at 0, going to infinity. Usually these are n's, actually. I should be using n's here. So let's do 1 over n plus 1. Now here, again, this part here is our an, so we're going to do the limit as n approaches infinity of a sub n, this part. And so now when we plug in infinity, we're going to have 1 over infinity, which basically gives us 0. When we have a 0, using the nth term, the test fails. So we would have to use some other test in order to prove convergence or divergence of this series. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys learned something, and more of these series convergence tests to come.